Ever since its release, the Xperia series has collaborated with many creators and fascinated them with its vision of experiences beyond imagination for the dedicated and passionate. In particular, the X-More T for mobile, a new generation image sensor implemented in the flagship model Xperia 1 Mark V, is highly valued by professional creators as a camera feature that overwhelms the existing smartphone image quality for both photography and videography. To deliver this great camera experience to a lot more people, many advanced features of Xperia 1 Mark V are now packed into a more compact and accessible smartphone. Today, we proudly present a new Xperia. Can a new smartphone bring new perspective? Dancer and photographer. We asked them to use Xperia 5 Mark V to find a new me by switching their roles.
Whenever I dare to try out something new, I get really excited, like I'm visiting somewhere I've never been before.
普段の自分を一歩進めたら新しい自分に出会える。新しい自分を表現する。その高揚感と興奮を。
I'm not just a dancer.
I'm not just a photographer.
My name is Katie. I'm a freestyle dancer, but I'm much more than that. I've been dancing since I can remember. I feel that I can truly connect with other people through dance, so that's why I started dancing. I want to inspire others just like my friends and family have encouraged and inspired me to keep dancing. There are many things that I want to try out. I want to explore a new me.
翼フライアウェイです。ストリートフォトグラファーをしてます。でもそれだけじゃないです。昔アメリカに住んでた時に初めてカメラを握って、自分やっぱり人が好きなんで温かみのあるような映像を作りたいなと思った時にストリートフォトグラファーに出会ったっていう。自分自身を発信するってなかなかしてなくて、自分も被写体となって新しく表現の幅を広げたいな。
It's been forever, man. How have you been?
元気？
I'm good, I'm good. How have you been? I've seen your social media and your photos.
ケイティ見てるよ。
マジで？本当？Thanks. Do you mind taking a video for me?
Sure.
Really?
Yeah,
Really?
let's do
Okay,
it.
let's go to the next spot over there.
Okay.
That's nice. It looks Wait, hold on. You can do slow motion?
やばいね。
That's so cool.
めっちゃ綺麗。4K120 フレームで撮れるのはこのハイエンドカメラの技術なよね。この鼻の質感とかもシネマティックな表現がめっちゃいい感じで出てる。
Oh, that's mad advanced.
めっちゃいい。
That's really advanced.
寄っても全然綺麗なまま。
That's really clean. Even the display, even in the sunlight, it's like really bright.
めっちゃ使えるね、外でも。
That's so cool.
みんなの前で踊るケイティはいつもパワフルで、自分を表現する力っていうものを見習っていきたいですね。せっかくの機会なんで自分も撮ってもらいたいです。
I'm used to dancing in front of the camera, but being behind the camera, not so much. It's something I've always wanted to try, though.
This is my favorite.
I like that one.
新しいさセンサーのさ X-More T4 モバイルっていうのがさ暗かったけどさ、結構質感とかも
すごい
綺麗に撮れてるくない？うん、全然いけちゃうね。
Actual camera quality.
な、もうアルファ撮ってんの変わらんもん。
What's this creative?
これクリエイティブルックって言って、
写真の色味を好きな自分の好みで変えれるの。
I'm gonna get you.
Okay.
Wait. We'll get you in this photo. Oh, that's cute. Hold on. I like that a lot. Wait, we're gonna get the back a little bit. Ooh.
これとか俺ソニーで使ってる色味と一緒やもん。ケイティゲームセンター好きな知らんかった。
Yeah, めっちゃ好きだよ. Yeah, not a lot of people know that about me. I actually like spending time by myself.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like going to the arcade, doing jigsaw puzzles, baking. I watch anime on my days off. Speaking about that, like watching anime on this smartphone, not only the visuals, but the audio is amazing. Yeah, I get lost in my own world every time. Yeah, spending time by myself is great. But yeah, I'm not just a dancer. I'm more than that, What about you, though? How did it feel being behind? Not behind the camera, but in front of the camera.
It was so weird.
It was weird, really? 本当？
撮るの慣れてるけど、やっぱ撮られるのってまた難しいね。ちょっと楽しかったけど、やってみて。もうちょっとああしたいな、こうしたいなみたいな。ちょっとだんだん出てきて。
もうその時は I got you. I'll take a video for you. Get new poses. Yeah, new poses, new videos. Take a photo. Yeah, let's go. No, I think we'd make a great team. I'll take more videos. Got it.
ダンサーじゃないケイティを知れてよかったですね。なんかこういう一面もあるんやなと思って、なんか自分も撮ってもらって普段の自分も表現するのもすごく大事だなって思いました。
I think the part of Tsubasa that loves taking photos is great, but seeing Tsubasa through the camera was really refreshing. It was really nice. I've always been the one being filmed, but actually shooting with cool settings and choosing my favorite creative look was really fun. In a way, being able to express how you feel through the camera is kind of similar to dance. I think I did a good job, right? I think I did a good job.
この新型センサーがさ、暗いところでも結構肌の質感いい感じで出てんね。
確かにすごいね。
ね。さっきボケモードで撮ったやつ。めっちゃよくね。
すごい。It's like the pictures that you take.
ね。
Yeah, with your actual camera.
ね。玉ボケとかもしっかり出てるし。
I like how it stretches out on the sides.
もう一眼で撮ってるの変わらんよね。てかこれ今日撮ったやつ編集しようよ。
Right now?
1分でできるよ。
1分で？
じゃあなんか好きな動画選んでこの中から。
Okay, I want to use. I like this one, this one, and this one. I like that one. I like that one.
これとか、これとか。
Okay.
いいんじゃない？
Okay. Yeah, I like that.
で曲どうする
？Music. Let's choose. I like this one.
これ？
Yeah. Today's day. 今日の日付入れる。
It's done.
What? すごっ。
もうできた。
Wait, yeah, I want to see it.
Oh すごい。
Wait, hold on. It's in sync with the music.
やばいね。
It's in sync with the music. That is so cool.
マッチしてんね。ポストしようぜ。
Yeah, I want to post it. Can I get the video? Yeah. Do you think people will be surprised to see you dance?
SNS で知ってくれてる人ってカメラマンっていうイメージが強くて、でもカメラで撮るっていうことはなんか自己表現の一つであって、その中にダンスもそうやから、これからは自分自身をもっと表現していくことが新しい自分につながるんじゃないかな。
おー、いいね。じゃあその時 let me know and I'll take a video for you. I'll edit in 1 minute too. Yeah, I got you, man.
今のケイティなら余裕でしょ。
でしょ？Yeah, でも絶対できる。
てかバッテリー大丈夫？
Yeah, I still have plenty of battery left.
Oh, that's great.
Do you wanna take another video?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you wanna do it? Okay,
Sure.
let's go. Yeah.
Let's go.
I dance to connect with others. I want to see how you see the world, and I want to share how I see the world too.
自分が撮る人がどういう人かっていうのも伝えたいけど、自分自身がどういう人かっていうのも知ってほしいし、表現していきたいです。
I'm not just a dancer.
I'm not just a photographer.
I am more than that.
Next, let's review the new smartphone's features. As Katie and Tsubasa experienced, the latest Xperia 5 Mark V comes with a variety of special features. A high-quality camera and an easy editing function that allow you to freely express yourself. Immersive display and audio that put you at center stage to enjoy rich visuals and sound. A long-lasting battery to enjoy your smartphone longer. Advanced gaming capabilities for all the dedicated gamers. As part of Sony's environmental protection activities, sustainable materials are used for both packaging and some parts of the main units, aiming to achieve a zero environmental footprint in 2050. The new Xperia 5 Mark V will be available in 3 colors, and shipping will start from this month.
New phone, new me.
A new day, feeling fresh. Make all the moments in your life great memories. Capturing the moment, anytime, anywhere. A smartphone that's right for me. New phone, new me. Xperia 5 Mark V.